Hi, my name's Sarah McIntyre and I make picture books and comics. And here's a book called Oliver and the Seawigs that I did with my friend Philip Reeve. And we thought up the story together, then Philip wrote the words and I drew the pictures. And there's one character in it that I really like, and it's a sea monkey. And you can see some of them here. And they're really fun to draw, so I'm going to teach you how to draw one. Then we're going to use it to make a comic. Right, now we're going to draw our sea monkey. So you need to make the head first in the middle of the paper, and it's quite big. Sea monkeys are mostly head actually. So here we go, we're going to draw a big circle. And then we need a nose. The nose is a little bit like an M, so except it has 3 bumps. So it goes boom, boom, boom. Right, now we're going to make the muzzle. And we need to connect it to the side of the head. So one line from the nose coming out to the side of the head, like that. And then another line, like that. Now we're going to make the eyes. And sea monkeys, they have these massive staring eyes. So I want you to make them really just big and shocked. So really big eyes, so big they actually go off the side of the head a little bit. Now you have a decision to make. You can decide which way your sea monkey's looking. Is he looking left, right, maybe up at the piano about to fall on his head, down at the fish swimming under his feet, maybe cross-eyed, maybe wall-eyed. It's up to you. I'm going to do cross-eyed. So make 2 black little dots, really dark. Okay, now your sea monkey needs some ears. And they're a little bit like drawing sort of like teacup handles. And you can make them really, really big, like an elephant, or really tiny, it's up to you. So I'm gonna make them quite big. And then you can do the same exact thing inside the ear, just a smaller C, like that, and like that. Now your sea monkey can't say anything, so we need to give him a mouth. And you could do, maybe it could just be a cute little smile. It could be a line that goes all the way across his muzzle. It could be a big roar with big teeth and like vampire fangs. Up to you. I think I'm just going to make mine go, whoo. So a little circle, but you decide, you do it your way. There we go, and maybe I'll fill in some teeth. Okay, now it's time to draw the body. And it's very easy. This is a good way to draw. You can even draw people's bodies this way. You can do an upside down U shape, like this. And then you do another U shape just underneath. Okay, now we're going to draw the feet. And the feet are kind of like, when you first start drawing them, it's a little bit like skis, like that, just a line and a line. And then we need to turn these skis into chicken feet. So we add another line on the side like that. And like that. So we've got chicken feet. But it's not a chicken, it's more like a frog, because he lives in the water and he paddles. So we're going to put webbing between the toes. So little lines that connect the toes. Okay, there we got feet. Now it's time to draw the arms. And the arms might go up in the air like this, they might go down. I'm going to have mine going up, like that. Don't worry about elbows. Now we're going to draw the hands. And the hands are really easy, because they're just clenched little fists. So basically all you need to draw is a little circle, just going for ah. Okay, now it's time to draw a tail. Tails could go like circle around, spiral, it could be zigzag, it could be straight up in the air. You decide. I'm gonna have mine curling around down like that. And then when you've got the tail, you can just put another extra line just to thicken it up a bit. Okay, we've got a sea monkey, but do you want to keep your sea monkey naked, or would you like to put some clothes on him? But I'm going to put pants, I think. He's going to wear some pants. And just to make it a bit funnier, you could put some sort of stitching across the top. Now we've got a sea monkey, but he's looking very bald. He needs some hair. First, you're going to colour him in. You're going to do the sort of dark bits here. It could be any colour. Around his eyes. It makes the eyes stand out more when you colour it in. It's quite nice. Just like this. Right, okay, now we're going to put some like hair coming off him. Lots of hair. Just to add extra fuzziness. And sea monkeys, they're not very tidy creatures. They're quite smelly because they come from the sea and they wash up with the seaweed and stuff, so actually they're really stinky. One way to show the animals are really, really stinky is to add fleas. To draw a flea, it's really easy. You just draw like a little circle and then you show the path that it's jumped. Boom, boom, boom. And let's give him a few fleas because he's really manky. And I think maybe a fly. Flies are really easy. They're kind of like fleas too. And you just draw the same circle like that and 2 little wings. And you've got a fly. And then you can show the trail where it's flown from. Maybe it's come out of his ear. He needs to be saying something. In Oliver and the Seawigs, the sea monkeys go, eep, eep, eep. And yours might say something else. Yours might say, oi, or bum. I don't know, whatever you like. But I'm going to put eep. Have him saying it. Eep. And then draw a speech bubble all the way around it with a tail that points to the sea monkey so you know who's saying it. And I think my sea monkey needs a name. What are you going to name yours? It could be something really silly like, I don't know, Bob Stinky Pants or something. Or maybe just a sort of normal name. I think I'll call mine Betty. This is Betty. And write the name of your sea monkey. And then when you've finished, sign it. So I'm going to sign Sarah McIntyre. There we go. We've got a sea monkey. I hope you had fun drawing that.